Alright, so big up on yourself again. I don't know if it's your first time to the channel, make sure you subscribe. We are in the town of Sablamar and want to say big up to everybody who are watching. Remember to subscribe and share up the video them because we want the video them to get all heap of views.
Wala sa si Candy.
Once candy. Sis, once the candy really candy scarce like a water right now, you know. Hardly come about.
You can't talk to Candy. Are you not si Candy? Which one?
Nah, see her, can't talk to her. Well, you know, candy stand candy dark, you know.
Boy, me I call her and she not even would answer her phone. Imagine from mama dead. And me alone have Maxi. I train Down syndrome. Like nobody no business with him and he not really have no legacy. Forgive to nobody. No man. No man, if you see her, you need to talk to her, man. If even can help me beard Maxi. You know, easy for me alone, you know.
That's true.
Me don't have a life. I hold away, brother. You know, fear, unfair, very unfair.
That's true.
It's something that height of wickedness. And Maxi cannot feed himself again. Look, if I carry Maxi outside, me alone can't carry me now. And he need little sunlight.
Oh my. Alright, sis. Here we are. Based on what you said, to be honest, me really feel a way about the situation. And me no want to go say it and not come true upon what me I say. So me go just take action. Me go try my utmost best come help you with Maxi because me know say our brother and I me no want you alone face the responsibility. So see with me as me I go try my utmost best, come round more and then me I go see if me can link Candice dear Father God and get her on board because we have to share the burden. Me can't leave it on you one alone. We go work on that. Alright? I best that me can do right now.
At 10 years now, you know. Mama gone, you know. And I did me and Debbie. And Debbie gone now and me alone. It unfair. A wickedness. A wickedness. But anyway, I might then call her LG. Because from when me fi access her. If you ask her Shabba your name and then call her LG.
Yeah, well, you don't know say Shabba. I'm a name where Uno give me and my mother and everybody. But LG is the cool person in the street still, is me?
Because, you know, Saturday, somebody come here and ask me for LG and I don't know who name so.
Everybody know me as LG right now in the streets, man. That's one normal name, man. I don't know badness or nothing like that. It's just LG and life's good, is it? So I'm cool and I'm humble certain way. Yeah.
Oh,
But
you mean life good?
right.
Oh,
But you don't have to worry about that, man. You can stick to your Shabba if you want to stick to your Shabba. But if you want to say LG, no problem. Because we don't know how it go already.
that's the don't know. That's why me ask.
Yeah, man, I know nothing
Be
serious.
curious, you know.
No, but nothing serious at
Yeah.
all. I must get to
But
them bothering us. So.
sometimes they fi bite on you know, cause boy, sometimes me I get bite and I not even know what bite.
Oh, sure.
Me no really think say me so terrible. Who mosquito fi bite and bite? Only fi bite cause we no full of sin. Although all of we have sin, but me I tell you, but me not laugh still, you know, brother. It hard for me, you know. It really hard, you know.
That's true.
Me don't have a social life no more, and it unfair. Try call Candy man. Try find her. In which part today when you leave here, so find her.
And you hard to find, so.
You finally reach.
No long me I look for you.
Yes, you know, because I don't know what you call me on the phone say you want to talk to me. Make you start because right now me a hurry.
So we in a hurry for go. Now you are there.
Hurry about that. What you say?
You know, man, I just a come from run with sister. And she said she wants some help.
From who?
Me, my friend who? You know, me and you are our family. No must from we she want the help. Come on, you must can go help her out, man.
Help her with what? What she want me do?
She want help with Maxi.
Oh, me look like a no mama? Me a Maxima? Eh?
But our brother,
Yes, he's my brother. But you know, like I say, me a Maxima. So Maxi a me pick me fi grow and go be the man sitting. So I'm to uno.
but that's Gigi. Gigi I do it, and Gigi want help, and you have the female.
I wanna take me for though. Wanna take me for? Eh?
What you mean? But we his family we fi help each other.
Uno help me? You and Gigi and Maxi they help me. Why you want me go around there if you go help Gigi with Maxi? What could I cost this?
You can't be so selfish, you know.
Me not selfish.
You can't be so selfish, sister, because she need the help. As she alone take on the struggles I work with Maxi since Debbie dead, and now you just it's look away now, man. Go help her, man. Do.
Shabba, you see you? Me notice say from mama dead and my case uno depan. Eh? From she dead, uno have me up and uno tap chat about me. Awa?
I
Awa?
did not chat
What
you,
is
man.
it?
I
Eh?
did not chat you. We just a say.
Me want to no come off of me back. I wanna stop Frank on call me and they bada me pan phone about uno want me fi come help Maxi. Watch ya. So me not have a life. Eh? Me no want go look and work and find something to do for myself.
But you not do nothing right now.
You don't know if me I do anything. You don't know that. And that you no sit down around there chat.
You can't help,
Me
man.
nah do nothing and me fi come help. Watch out what this.
How you just stay in your house now, do nothing. And it's a standoffish, like I said, we are no family. If you come around more often and make we talk and reason, make we know what go on. And if nothing happen, you know, you can tell me and make if me know somebody or know something.
Member say, before mama dead, me and her went catch up in a little teeny bit of story. I want to take it out of proportion and turn in a one different thing, make it be one big issue. And when you no do no chat about me and cuss mama, you say, well, I want wicked and when you no do no come call my name. But me fi on this and me fi on that. Well, I no crosses. Me no know what make you call me on the phone fi come around and come tell me foolishness. Eh? Me, fi left from my yard, come round a Gigi yard, fi come do what? You mad? You not try go get one help. Me look like a helper too, no?
All right, Candy. I realize, you know, it wasn't the smartest decision for actually come and ask if a little help. But just remember this. We are still family. And if any at all you call upon me or Gigi, you know we did it for you. Believe this. Regardless of what you believe in your heart, Candy, just know so we
Stop
love
call
you
out my
just the
name.
same.
Are you there go now? Before you come, me did go left and go somewhere. You know no money. Cause on the road me did go awa. You ask me for money and me want money. Me no money fi give you fi give Maxi nor give Gigi fi give Maxi. So you better leave me place.
I still love you, you know.
Love who?
I don't really have nothing. But see,
How you are quid? You see same thing? You see same thing why me have to look for myself when I come tell me fail Maxi. Take back that. We argue $1. You're bright. Go on where you go. Go on. Make case come out. Come out. Go on. Go on. If I did know say them a foolishness, you call me on phone to contact me about. Me tell you say me not there here. Go on.
you still have a number.
Right.
Can call. Later.
What you have?
Oh, go on, my sister.
I say a long time I don't see you. I'm going to check you because I have one plan. I don't know if it will work out, but I would really like to try. So, you see the part where mama dead left? I would love you to lend me it. Because I want to cook some soup out of Peter's field. Or square this so. Where you know say people always have the, you know say they have the supermarket and whole for people always did this so I would try a thing and see if I can make some money because I want to help myself.
Which part? A whole pot where mother dead left.
I know say whole for patch dead.
All one little teapot.
The biggest one me they talk we can cook soup and selling. You know that big, huge, massive one there. That one they me attack. And
No,
Welshman.
girl. No. Take your mind off of that pot there. Not that one. Not that pot.
How could I call this now, Gigi? Me and your sister, and our mother did left it. You can't lend me a pot.
No, girl. She dead left a pot for Maxi. For we brother Maxi. And me never, when she dead left a pot and tell me say the pot for Maxi, me never understand what she mean, you know. Because Maxi cannot cook. But I know me realize me can't get a pot. Me can't get any other spot you want. You can get it, but not that one.
What's so important about that the pot they make you can't lend me it? You don't tell me say Maxi can't cook. So why you want give Maxi pot? What Maxi go do with the pot? You go cook in that the big old pot they fi give Maxi fi eat half, he can't eat half it. Me want if he cook and sell soup, fi make money and help myself. And me all can give her money out then no one again too. Why you no want lend me?
I rent the pot. Because no help me take care of Maxi. From we mother dead. Nobody at all. No stretch nothing give me for Maxi. Maxi all na pampas and you come right now, you come with your too long and I'll come ask me about pot. No come terrorize me about no pot girl. I can't do it.
Gigi, you know say nothing now go on for me. That's why me want you lend me the pot.
Uh,
God Almighty man,
and
me and
how does that affect me?
me and sister. Why you do that one pot? How so?
You cannot get the pot.
We are family,
Me
you know.
rent out the pot for take care of Maxi. Use the money take care of Maxi. You deaf?
You see it now? You
Something
see it?
wrong with your ears?
You see why me not like a family thing? You see it? A long time from we younger, me realize say mama take you for your favorite. No sick of one part you go make me in an argument. One part when I want to help myself with, if you not come beg you nothing, you don't want to lend me part. Everything good,
Are
man.
you want an argument with me? It's not me want an argument with you, you know. And you're jealous. You can't talk about mama take me for favoritism. I true me closer to mama. I'm more tender to mama. You remember I said before mama did you cuss mama. Cuss mama like a dog.
Me?
You. Yes, you.
Jesus Christ. You forgot to me and sister, mama dead and gone. Right now you supposed to have spin in her grave sake of you. Because you dey tell lie upon me. Me never dey cuss mama. I thought me dey talk to her. Cause me get ignorant and grieve out of the, me not even know what part me did there. I must see out of space. Me just, they talk to her about certain things. And she take you out of proportion and say I cuss me the cuss her. And you take up it put on your head cause what your favorite. You see it? Favoritism. You see what me I tell you?
A jealousy will kill you.
Yes, me have to jealous
Because you
because
see you.
Hey.
One ball you make for we mother ball.
Me?
Yes, you.
Me, Gigi?
Yes, you.
What a wicked sister. Hey.
Girl, you better if you just ask God to forgive you and confess. And nobody come on here with your
Mama
excitement.
conscience when they kill her, when me call her one side and talk to her how she treat you better than me. That's why she a ball. And me make she a ball. Eh?
You know, say you're terrible. In what way we mother treat me better than you? Tell me the truth.
When
No
mama...
me human live with.
You ask me
Eh?
sitting and then still a chat. That's what you say. You know say I true me. You know why you don't want to listen to me. You see it? You see you? Mama prefer you more than me. Go and go your graveside, go ask her if I lie. She always go and market. She buy 2 panty for you, 1 for me. What that? The 2 of your sister. You forget 2 and me get 2. Make it even. Oh, make it so wicked as family.
You know say you're terrible.
Yes. I want to corrupt as my family.
Terrible, you know.
Mm-hmm.
When you could have ball blood, you not get the pot.
1 pot.
You not get the pot. I have to take care of our brother in there. You ever one day come here, come help me look about Maxi? Talk truth. Since as me I tell lie on you, cause dead man carry no tails and she can't get up back and come split the difference between me and right now.
Me never
Me
come
ask
around
you
and come help you.
you ever come take care of Maxi help me one day?
But me not have if you can't take care of him. That's why I want the pot.
Even if you be him girl.
Imagine say 1 pot. Me dey ask you to lend me. To make my life better. So me can help Maxi. We brother, you know. Where you tell me say me no help none at all. And you come and go on like you want in argument with me for what? But guess what? We are family, but we are not nothing right now as friend today. Me done with the whole of you. Me a wipe you off of my map. Me and you know nothing. You understand me? You too corrupt, man. Me don't like you style. 1 pot. And me pot, you can't lend me the pot. Everything good, man. You rather see me go up on road and beg. Big up yourself, Gigi.
Galang where you go. If I one pot make you a galang, so if tell a person who you is.
You know,
Galang where you go.
I miss you, me can come around your yard.
Yes.
Better me go ask one
Try
stranger.
to make no more mistake come back.
To lend me the pot. Everything
Go on.
good.
Go on. I love you here.
No love me. Me no want none of you love me. Me no have nothing to do with you.
I love you. I rent
Take it, pot. Take it.
You want
Near
the pot
me.
to rent?
Near me pot. Near me pot.
Go on. Me love you here.
Me not like you, man. You're too wicked and full of corruption.
Sister. Gigi.
Yeah.
Hi, not this.
Oh no, sister.
What go on there?
Gigi sister.
Hear me. So you complain. How you go? You dress up, sir.
I go about my business.
You go out your business.
Don't watch my dressing.
Why?
Go on, what your problem?
Pass me, say me a pass you and say me come give you a link, you know. Come check in for Maxi car. I forget your thing, you know, but you don't know. You're not ready yet.
Every day I same thing you tell me. Every single day. Every day. From when mother dead, I just pay a promise. You can't check it. No, I don't want to come here and look for Maxi if you don't care nothing can give me. Me tired of you know.
Hold on, the sister, man. So it's not like I say, yeah, I use somebody else for fry me, so. Because you don't know, so from me tell you a thing, me go come true. You not go around, you sis. From
Me
me
I
tell you, say
use
me go deal
somebody
with it
else
now.
fat fry come like start chatting or chat me.
Why you not say that?
Cause for your sister come here yesterday come cuss me off. She cuss me
Wait,
like a dog. For your
wait.
sister.
So none of your sister too?
She said me and her no nothing. She said me and her not related. She done with me. My family are not good somebody. She said family are not good somebody, you know. So she said
Eh?
family are not good somebody.
So she come bout?
She come, you see, and tell me if me wrong.
Eh.
She come and say she a borrow a pot. But my mother dead left. And me ask her, me tell her, say, look here, what papa my mother dead left. If I teapot she did want, should I get the teapot? You understand? She saw the big soup pot she want. And me tell her, say, me cannot lend her it. Because my mother dead left if Maxi. You understand?
Right.
So when me do, me rent out the pot. And the money when me get from the pot, I me use take care of Maxi.
So what she want the pot for?
So she want go hustle. She know she have intention, you see me? Me feel so she have intention to take the pot and don't give me back because if she did want the pot for hustle, she could have said, sister, we rent the pot from you. You girl cuss me, you see? And come on here, come create one bag of excitement.
Oh yeah, sir.
She go on bad enough.
Over the pot?
One pot.
No, sir.
Me say she go as far as I'll tell me about now how me and my mother favorite picnic. And how my mother used to treat me different from she.
Jesus Christ. So all from childhood days she are bringing in the sister? No, sir.
She traumatized.
No, man. So, but them they are picnic days
She
thing.
need to go get her head check out. You hear me, sir?
Me can't believe who
You
sister would
need
have
to
bring up
take your
that.
sister go check out her head. She asked me, say the girl say, how my mother buy 2 to give me and give her only one. Me not laugh.
No, but me have to laugh because me about time with that situation in that out when we did younger. And she really come with it again.
Like me
No,
have no
sir.
control over nothing when my mother
No,
give me.
sir.
We have picnic. And I'm me there around my mother. Me say the girl, let me ask you something. She never used to cuss mama. Talk to her.
She did have some, she always had to say some things yes were really never right. I don't know, no joke.
She saw lie me and tell upon her. Me not tell no lie upon her, you know.
Me no want to
But
get in
anyway, me
like, you
not
know.
get into that right now because she affiliator, can be affiliator. Because she said she done with me, I fear a problem that. You understand what I mean? Me not done with she. She affiliator. So you want to tell me say talk truth. From my mother dead. No can't help me with Maxi, me tired, you know. Every day I'm me alone. Me ask the girl say if she can't if she said she not work and nothing and go on fear. You want to tell me say she can't even come help me be Maxi talk truth. All you too. Other day me I go about my business, me I figure you $2,000. For just sit down with Maxi and give you next one 10,000. Unless it night a wickedness man.
What you know, sister, you have to understand my situation, you know. Me not have it like that, you know. Hustle me, I hustle just the same, you know. But you don't know, so once me get a little thing, then I go bring it forward, man. My plan for do it, you know.
From my mother, they do much here now. 14 years, I see him story me a year.
Plan
Oh
for
no,
do
I go
it,
like
sister,
Maxi, I'm
man.
a pitney. Maxi, I'm a pitney, you know. Maxi is not my child.
Me hear you. And that's true. Me not gonna lie to you. A real talk. We feel do better. Cause we are family, you know. It's not like we are friends, we are family. Me fi do better. And me I go talk to Candy about this. And I go ensure so we fix things. Because we're supposed to grow stronger. We're not supposed to grow divided. Unity is strength and we are family and we have only each other. And Mama would want that.
No, all of a sudden, I come in with no bad living and I go on like I'm a bad person. When I'm me alone, have the whole of Maxi bird. No conscience.
You
No,
don't do
no.
nothing wrong, sister. You don't do nothing wrong. So, here what I go and do. I go take up myself before this rain come wet me up, you know. But I go and talk to Candy. I go and link her and talk to her about that situation. Yeah. Because I don't like what she come here come
No,
do.
make sure you talk to her because
Yeah, man.
she
It
said
no
she
good.
done with family because family no good.
She can't done with family. That's what I said. Yeah, follow Candy. That's what Candy talk all the time, man. Later, here, sister. And heal up Maxi there for me. Candy. Come.
Me tell her sitting. You see if I come here come about pat argument, me no want hear nothing from you, know, come here none of no friend, you know. And that me I tell you, no, me no want none of no fi be my family. The whole of no full of corruption and no wicked. Me no want none of no me yard and me not come back and none of no yard. Uno too wicked. Where you come about? Me no want you in my yard. I hope you no come and come chat about no party, so you know, because the whole of no plan for me no get the party now. No wicked and want to see me hold down in a life forever, you know.
Sister.
Right now, me vex.
Hey, that not
Take your foot
necessary.
off of my step. Take your foot off of my step.
Then, sister, what make you behave so? None of that not necessary. I come for talk to you, know, because me hear what Gigi have to say, and so I come for talk to you.
See me, Jesus Christ.
So no,
You're
that
growing
me,
a Gigi.
but then
So you come now too.
no, you realize when I come to your sister calm. I come for talk to you because me talk to her, me tell her so we cannot live so. We are brothers and sisters. We have to unite and we have to help each other out,
You just
Candy.
know.
But hold on now.
You just know so we are brothers and sisters and we fi unite. You see how long mama dead and gone? Eh? I know me still a worry and a fret and the whole of no cock up and a chat about me used to cuss off my mother. You know too wicked. You hear me do that? And that you no sit down and a plan on me used to.
Come we not throw no stones, no man. The past is the past and we need to grow up right now. And I believe, say, you must have a reason for why you go around about something. What is happening, Candy? Talk to me. Talk to me. Make me understand so me can best explain the situation another way.
You know,
Because
see
me nah
around there
say-
they go.
Yeah, but me
Or
here for your
around there
side,
I
but me
come
nah
from.
pick no side, Candy. Me want to hear what you have to say.
I go you go around there already, or I come here come from around there, or I go you want go now.
No.
You want me
Candy.
to say fix
Listen
your
to
back
me now.
news.
No.
What?
I heard what she said. And I said to her, say, we cannot live so, Candy. But then me not taking what she said. Me say, me come hear what you have to say because it can't just go so. We are family, Candy. Me nah go just take up on one person, so. Come on, man. You must have a reason why you did go around there in the first place. So I hear
Anyway,
me come for here.
you see two me and your brother, I want to say we are family.
Yeah, we are.
We are. But since my mother did come like me, I don't know nothing. Me I tell you that. Since the whole of we mama dead and gone, it come like, but me I go tell you, it come like me, I don't know nothing the way you wanna treat me. Everything good, man. Everything good. And me same one. I not go see me price for. Let me tell you sitting now. The part where mama buy and left round there, me grow on the figure borrow it. Tell me now if Gigi have no right to tell me say she not lend me the pot because the pot belongs to Maxi.
But I know that the story. The story is that the pot is there for take care of, help take care of Maxi. Because remember say Maxi can't work and not do nothing, you know, so. And that's why she had the pot, she rent it out for help out, for get look of money, for sort out for him situation because him can't take care of himself. That was the understanding when me get on. Me think you did get that understanding there too.
So all of a sudden much here no mama dead and gone. Then have the pot put on round there and not use the pot. Or as me ready to go use the pot, fi make little money, me want go hustle. You understand? Me tell her say me go out to Peter's field out of square there, so go cook in the pot. Make some good nice soup. Cow skin and chicken foot with
Like
red
mama
peas
used
and
to make.
skin and some pumpkin soup. Like when mama used to make.
Aye.
And then yo, I change know me vexing on my youth.
Not necessary. So here
The
what?
girl I go and tell me say she can't give me the pot.
Don't worry yourself, man. A simple solution is in Candy. You say you want the pot for go do some hustling, righteous? And Gigi, our sister, rent out the pot on weekends and stuff. Ensure so they have little money for take care of Maxi, buy Maxi little food
And I
and
she
little
can't me say
pampers.
she rent out the pot.
No,
A real thing.
a real thing. A real thing. You never know.
A real something.
A real
In
something,
a
but you
real
never
life.
know. But here one a man, See like how you want the pot. Here what me I go do. I gonna make sure say you get the pot.
How you gonna make me
Just
get it?
relax no man.
The girl with that name Bible believes that she not give me the pot.
Sister, me I go sort it out. Just cool no. Me I go ensure say you get the pot because me I go tell her say you're in a little situation and you want to do look hustling for make
Well,
your
away,
money.
brother and sister, she know the situation when me in. At least, I know, on the beach me they go, on the bridge. And the pot me want to borrow. I sell me want go sell out a crossroad out there so. Just to make a living and to survive. And me could have help all Maxi to with some of my money. Why them a treat me so? Like me and the bad apple in my family.
You know what? I have the perfect solution to this, you know. So, you a weekend time now, I gonna make you look money. And when you make the money, you give it to me, I'm going carry it, go give her. You are gonna do the look hustling and you're gonna make your look money so you can take care of yourself. And at the same time, you take out a little of money aside and you give it to me, so I give it to them as a rental agreement for the pot. It's simple solution that, you know, I go fix it.
How me I go get the pot? Me I go get the pot?
I am going to make sure you get the pot tomorrow. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
Me, I go up the back feet. Yeah?
Okay, you sure?
Me positive. Because me can talk to my sister up. Look here now, regardless of all that is happening around us, you know, we're supposed to be able if we can talk to each other. And me believe that me can reach you and me can reach you. So just believe me and work with me. Please. Just keep up to your end of the bargain. You give them the money at the weekend time. Good?
Alright, so
Alright.
I'm glad say I go get the pot filling me and me thank you. I'm sorry for did that talk to you so loud. Because
Everything Christmas.
because Gigi can't grieve me, man.
That's how we
But me
stay.
sorry, you know I say me love you, my brother.
Nobody watch your face, man. That's how you go, man.
I love you.
Nobody watch your face.
So tidy up.
So we see you here.
I remember if you carry pot come tomorrow.
Tomorrow, right away. Cool?
Alright, me love you here.
Alright,
I'm
sister.
sorry if you talk to you so bad.
I least
And
that,
some
man.
ignorant from around there.
Alright. You can't cuss me today. Because me tell you, say me a forward, I'm going to come empty handed. So me carry look something here. If you look at this and look at that, pampas and sitting, so Maxi can sort out himself. Good? Well, Maxi. You good? Ah, Tio. Boy, you do a good job still, you know, sis. Nah, tell no lie, you really do a good job. Yeah, man. Come, you know, you have for me heart and candy heart put in a one car. You really do go through. Heart of a lion. Watch you know, man. Your heart clean and you are the way you are doing, you know. And because you are the way you are do make him there so long, you know. And God see and know. Him himself grateful for that.
Sometimes I'm tired.
You know at times it a go ordinary. You see it, man. But one hold it, man, you are going good.
So I go still alive.
And me talk to sister to Candy. Me talk to her and me talk to her even about the situation where it go down the other day. Me tell her say me never like it and the fact that we can't argue with each other. Until she calm herself down and then she make me know say she in a little spot. She in a little situation and she really need the pot. And me see where she can use it. But here what I'm going to do. Because me know say it a bring in a little thing for Maxi also. I am going to monitor the situation and ensure say you get your money every single weekend time and time money for run. How that sound?
Let me ask you one question. Remember, you know, say me rent the pot. I rent out the pot.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
And Candy go have the pot every single day.
So,
Every single day she go have the pot, you know?
mhm.
So hold on there. So for example, if Candy take the pot from me now, right? And somebody come to rent the pot.
Well, they tell them say it already rented.
So
Because
you're going to ensure that she give me money?
I am going to ensure I am going to be the person who collect the money and carry it come give you in your hand. Me, I go take onus for that responsibility.
Brother, we need to understand something, you know. It's not about me not really want to give the pot to Candy, you know. But at the pot are the only income me have to help me with Maxi. I remember so me have to pick them for go school. So if you know within yourself, so you're gonna ensure For me get a little change when I can't able to buy something for Maxi and Maxi Pampas money. You can't deprive him from him because a Pampas him a wear. You cannot deprive him from them something there.
I am going to ensure, as me there, Candy, going to pay that money like clockwork every weekend. Me collect that money and I bring it come give you because me know the importance of the funds. Me there so and me I go guarantee it. Sis, I am going to be ensuring say the money is collected on the weekends and brought directly to you. Me even make she do it. Me I carry the money come there. Me I make it be my responsibility to ensure say me collect all of the funds, come give to you. Whatever the money is, they decided how much you want rent you rent the pot for. So when then she do her look at hustle and get her money, me carry it come give to you what she forgive.
Make sure. Because at the end of the day, I don't really want to have no bad vibes with me and my sister. You know.
No man,
You
me not
understand
worry
what I
she
mean?
so.
I don't like them something there, you know. Don't like them something there. So you know how Candy stay, she can't tame in. You understand? So listen, if you're going to make sure
Mm-hmm.
me get to me forget a week time towards Maxi, I don't have no problem. Me cannot give her the pot.
You
So
know
if
that.
you can collect the money and make me get it a weekend time, cause me not hold argument with her, cause me not able to fear on her mouth what she have.
You know I got this man, we fix
Oh,
that.
I mean not like then something there for people hear me and my sister in an argument over one pot.
We squash that look set that
Alright
look
then, my
vibes
brother.
them.
The pot they down in the kitchen if you can go get it.
What fix this?
Maxi, take care. Hold on up, me, you know. Kiss me, Mickey, kiss me.
Mister!
Shabba, how you get mama pot? No man, you must work some miracle or magic because the way old Gigi tighten up on this apathy and I want let it go. She tighten and grippy and she heavy. Good.
True.
Like she tie with that rope. Me not understand how she stay so.
Come on, sister, man. No bother with them someday. Cause believe me, when time I tell you say, as bad as you think things is, Gigi really gave a pattern out of the goodness of her heart. Believe me. Look here now, man. You see, whatever it is that happened in the past, let's make it stay in the past. See, you have the pot here now. All you need to do is come through on your end of the bargain, which is to ensure so you go out and do your hustling because remember, have to ensure say Maxi get a thing at the end of the week. The pot is for that purpose. The pot is a family heritage pot. Make we continue the trend with this thing.
Me thank her and me thank you for go. Me no know what you do, but you get if you come give me. Thank you very much.
Just
You make
talk to her, man.
real money with the pot.
You know that's the right thing, man. Just do the right thing, sister. Please ensure so you make the funds to benefit yourself and Maxi. Good?
Boy,
And
me
make your
glad.
mother proud.
Me glad so thin. No,
Yeah,
yo,
man.
me not
Make
bad
your
at
mother.
say nothing. Me glad. Thank you for the pot, my brother. Thank you.
Yeah, man.
Me
I
thank
simplest
you
thing,
so.
man.
Hey,
Mommy used to do some real soup cooking with this, you know, man.
what? Soup me say.
Soup, yes, sir.
Ready for sell soup
All
right
right.
now. Thank you very much. And tell Gigi thanks here.
Yeah, man. Me I do that.
Yeah, man, bless up yourself and tell her some me forgot about everything we're going and you know everything.
Ah, that is what me want to
Yeah,
hear, man.
man, me not have the mess something upon my mind again. And this me did want for a long time. Vincent! Vincent! Come here there, come here there.
Where go on there? See, the damn goat them pop down the damn sitting there.
Vincent,
With a gate there. Where go on?
me have one pot to sell you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. I mean, you say always a rain pot, you know. But me I sell you that one, yeah.
Hey, you know, see how you come like you read my mind and come around and say to myself, say, where me I get the opportunity to get a pot, you know. But guess what now? How much I sell me for?
Well, right now, me give you for 25 like why you. But you see all them pot, yeah? All 30, 40 grand feet. But you me know you a long time. I mean, know us there, us the same way.
Mm.
Give me 25.
Ah, you are going. Just to be honest with you, me not 25 for me. Not 25.
You don't want the pot, Vincent.
Yeah,
Vincent, you don't want
listen,
the pot.
some of them say me want the pot. Where you going, suffer? Yeah, make a scene about sitting where you want people for years say me go buy a pot from
Yeah,
you.
boy, you go on like you don't want you and rent you always.
And
I want deal me again. I tell you, say them party have it 30, 35 and 40. So me know you long time. Me tell you already, my youth, you make me have to go over it.
but me
Me give you for 25.
listen, man. You see what me do with me yard? Me never plan to buy no pot, you know. So any money me have right now, I want to deal with my little
So
business.
you already rent pot. All right.
This is me I say no man. So
What
me
you
can
say?
go
You
answer.
give me the money or
You
you not?
can't
What happened?
you can't calm down a little bit. Just a little bit and calm down and understand what going on.
Vincent, me on a mission.
What kind of
It's
mission?
either you want the pot or you don't want it, my youth. You understand?
Some of the tell you want the pot. So who you if I'm about
You
if I'm
want the
pot?
pot and me not see no money. Me not hear you talk about no money.
Me not have 25, what that me not talk
So
about.
how much money you really want to give pot, Vincent? We have the 40 grand. You hear that?
Here we go. Because based upon that, me don't tell her the situation already. $50 now going away. Me give you 20 and owe you 5. Just come check back mountain. I have to make a money. Because by mountain me have a money. Seriously, if you make back for start out my business I go did a while ago and if you can give back the balance. Cause this have brought me right now, I mean, nothing in a suit myself, I hustle my hustle. You know the whole routine. And I hustle right now. So stop looking for me, so.
Let me see this. Wait before you take out my pot. Wait, man.
The pot wash?
At 20 this. You no matter about that. You not go wash it before you use it. Vincent, hear me now.
That pot I look, sir.
Vincent, me I talk to you. Me give you back your money, you know much somebody ask me for your pot, but you me know say, yo, my youth, top go answer about the pot no man.
Well, all pot
You
look
not go
alike.
wash it out.
No, me I say all pot look alike, but you know that pot I look yeah. So alright, so you say you work here and I work here.
At 20 grand you give me
Yes.
my youth.
Mm-hmm.
When you say me fi come back for me 5 grand.
Mountain. 28 at this amount now.
And today how much?
Today 15.
So much day me have to go wait for my 5 grand. You know hard. You know hard me also forget this apart here. Vincent, I show me know you. Me I come back for me 5 grand. Remember that. Go on, later.
Cantankerous somebody. I go on JJ.
Now Vincent, you just take me yard and take me yard for pass, eh, man. Where you go?
No man,
That's
boy you know
walk
say.
to me yard, so.
No, and I'm at that you know someone like a shortcut thing man. I don't disrespect, you know what I mean?
Me tell you, I don't know walk to me yard, no man. From the car them, pop off me gate, me can't even fix it back as through. Enil not even there. Enil gone a foreign.
JJ, hold on the JJ.
You
You
have to
can't.
take liberty of
No,
people too
alright.
much, man. You just a walk to me yard and if
I'm a concern and talking because you need to understand one thing, yeah? I'm to take off my shoes.
hey man step up in my house and I'll ask me if you take off your shoes. You step up already, man. Nobody take off it.
Why that I think there now. Sorry for your walk and even I step on your place. I just because you see based on the fact that I have so much things that go on in my head. Cause after my pass, me actually see what they saying. You understand me? I say me have too much things that go on. Me start a little soup thing. You know, some whole of responsibility and and so forth. But what go on with you?
Boy, whole lot of things are going on. Right now, I'm stressed out. You know.
Mm.
Stress out, so then me can't stress out no more. Stress out, man. When last I see a friend, Candy.
You know, say as she even when what about 4 or 5 days ago, as she went even help me to start out the whole soap business. Sell me one pot.
What kind of soap business?
One big old pot she sell me for run soap on the street. I'm hustling and juggling on the road where I make a little thing. So as she went bust me and thing. But after that things kinda pick up and so forth. But me never really keep close contact with her, like that afterwards.
Eh, that a go on. And that really can they sell your pot?
Yeah, man. Our nice, but yo, and she give me a deal too, you know. And to be honest, them part that work maybe like say 35 to 40,000, and the woman give me for 20. I'm still, you know, when or 5, I just say go on.
So what kind of pot she sell you?
Me tell you, say man, you know, a big old pot. Them, all right. You ever pass on the street and see man that sell soup with a big old spoon, and it, you know what I mean? I them the big old pot there. Soup pot.
A soup pot.
Yes. You want to know, say, I want same pot like what you used to rent me back in the days. Eh? Yeah, man, same thing. Why God good enough, because I tell you, say, thing, yo, me never know, say, I saw soup man make money, you know. Soup man make money, yo. Because, look at me, we bring I'm trash. Me never take out that food and kind of close, yeah.
So she sell the pot or she rent you the
I
pot?
sell, she sell me the pot.
Oh.
So you still do for your rental business with the pot, them? Okay.
But a good while now, I no rent no pot.
Oh.
No rent no pot.
Hey, anyhow. Oh, Maxi good?
Boy in there, you know, him a go and same way right now, he want trim. Just done bathe him and tired and trim in the house. Kinda hot and a one fan me have in there, so me put him on that fan and come out here come sit down. I want carry him out here come make him sit down too, but get little fresh air.
Okay.
You can't talk to your friend. You can't talk to her. She can't come here come help me with Maxi.
Gigi, to be honest with you, you know, you see, me is a man who, when I really, you know, to and deal with, you know, because phone of family business and phone of family business, when I really get to them something there. You answer me and say, because if you cost today, you can make up tomorrow. And me out the road, you going to cost me. You know what I mean? Together. So, I really, you know what I mean? Me left it alone. Hopefully, the Almighty can work out a way we want to deal with it. But you want to go on. You see, because I know, say, Maxi and thing might need like something. Me never work with much money for me still. A matter of fact, I may have left, me have give a contribution to help Maxi by like even something. You know what I mean? Of 5,000. I only money me have from hold on like no me not get no kind. 5,000 and 50 make no sense. But see what you can do and make it work. You
Thanks.
understand? Yeah, man. 'Cause you
Thank
don't
you
know, say,
very much.
you know, say we are friends and you know, me always I watch what I go on, me see what I go on, but as God bless me, I feel, you know what I mean, help another. Because believe me, this is a blessing from Candy. Blessing. You understand me? I say, big up yourself, man. Take time, woman. Now. You don't know anything already.
God be more you.
Give her thanks.
Man, I'm gonna tell us God be bless you, you know.
God be more, man.
God be more you.
I'm sorry if you walk on the place of my shoes, yeah? Next time, as
Me
me
your
say,
store basket never empty.
you,
You know how you know how this good to me right now? What amount of good this a multiply in my life right now? Eh?
there you go, man. I
Not
say,
even for my life, in a Maxi life. Cause Maxi, I last pampers me just put on for Maxi. The last one.
I saw God work, man. I saw God work. Perfect timing. Everything is with timing, yeah?
The last one, man. Alright
So
then,
you
so
are?
me not gonna talk too much still, so.
Yeah, because I see, man.
Understand? Cause as I say, family are family.
But it's good to see you as usual. You know what I mean? So, I'm going to take my time and show bro. Alright?
As we say, God be more here.
Yeah, man. Likewise, yeah?
And be careful in your steppings.
Give thanks. Alright. Sister. Hey, heal me up, no man. Heal me up, man. Jaja. Hey, sister. Everyone me go me hear them a talk about your soup.
The soup is bad, not you?
Me say, yo, sister, me say them a talk about the soup. We are going to serve me and tell you, say, oh my goodness, man. Yo, me proud of you, you know.
Thank you. But me and your brother and sister, you don't even come support me and buy one cup.
Me soon forward, man. Now watch your face, you can't do it. Watch you now. Me hear how you are going good, man. Me I go tell everybody to come buy from you. Right now, me I carry the whole out so. Down so, round so, and around so.
I lie.
Yeah, man, everybody, man. Yo, sister, everyone me hear me I talk about, all the grill me go out hear about the soup, you know. Watch you now. Me say me hear about the soup business and the soup business booming. But one thing though, sister, you're holding up to your end of the bargain because remember say the soup part of it deal with Maxi business, you know.
Me know.
And so you deal with Maxi good.
Look how much time I send money go give Gigi. How are you there?
Peace, man. That's what me want to hear, you know. As so me know, so you see it? This is what family is all about, you know. I'm glad how you take care of your part and hold up your end of the bargain. This is a family can work out this thing, yeah. Oh, his sister, see me just a talk to sister, you tell her, say, yo, things are going good, man. You see it? You see what me tell you? You see it, though? Hey, me say me know, say me a good mediator now, man. See it? I me, six this. Though. Where
So
you
go
there?
on, what afternoon, Candy.
Afternoon.
Oh, what go on?
What going, sis?
Good.
Yeah, man, me there, man. You don't know the thing, man. So, man, you love each other, you know, man. Our family, you know, man. How I'm too now. Sure. What you there? Talk, man.
Candy,
Hmm?
like today and Sunday, see?
Eh.
Hmm.
I know cook soup on Sunday. Somebody come and want the pot for rent.
Somebody want the pot
Yeah, for
when
rent.
me rent from you.
Girl, you rent pot from me, man. I borrow
I
borrow
go
pot.
give you money to I rent me I rent it.
But anyway, you know work on Sundays. You know cook soup on Sundays.
Yeah,
And
me
somebody, listen now, and somebody come and need the pot. They want to rent the pot just for today alone.
Yeah.
So me can make extra money, so me want the pot.
here you know. Would I really give you the pot? Gigi, but me can't give it right now.
Why?
The pot dirty.
Don't worry about that.
It dirty till, hey, the pot dirty till it black. Right now, me have to go use hashes, Scotch Brite, steel wood, everything has spoiled, but me tired.
No
Me
man, you
tired,
get
me,
man something from a friend, man, you just spray upon him man, and
but,
they
but,
clean up.
but you can't give me
Just listen to
tomorrow.
me now. No. Tomorrow they don't need the pot. Today they need the pot.
Me wash, man. Wait it.
No, nobody with it. Me use it. Me will wash it myself.
No, but we are family, man. Me can't deal with it.
Me no want you wash it because you can't score a pot like me. How will you
Candy,
feel like?
listen to me, man. Me need the pot. Me can't leave the pot. Me need the pot.
Gigi, me just tell you the truth. The pot dirty and the way all the food. Because when I tell me put up the heap of coal them and eat it, me never know say I saw if I high. The dumpling and the yam and everything sticking out his stuff.
Alright,
It's
sister,
hard to
listen
soak
to me.
out.
Listen to me now.
So me must score it out too.
My mother or our mother teach me well how to wash the pot.
Me no want you watch no
Look
pot.
here, now,
Take
girl.
care now for me. Me no want you deaf. Me say me no
I just-
want to know if you wash the pot.
Look here,
You
wait
get me ignorant now. What me gonna do? First you never want to lend me. No come and bother me. Me say pot dirty.
Alright, Candy, alright. You don't need to raise a voice. Don't need to raise a voice. No need. You can't wrong and strong. Me hear say you sell a pot.
Yeah, talk about.
Me hear say you sell a pot.
You prank me. Sell which pot? You must see it. Where you say?
No, my sister wouldn't do that.
Me wouldn't do that. Tell her.
She wouldn't do that, sis.
Why would I do such a thing? Why you sit here and like me for a long time? Why you come and judge me? You just not believe say pot dirty. Me say the pot dirty.
You see, you always want wrong and strong. You get up and talk about now how you don't like family and how family wicked. Look in yourself. Look deep down in yourself. Me done with you. You first come tell me say you're done with me, but you see right now, me done with you. You're wicked. Me not feel like say, you Candy. Me not think me are related. You could have never be my mother's child. Seriously. Swap your hospital.
How could I call sis? You don't talk? You don't talk? Eh? Me say if you don't talk, you come like you come in my yard to come cuss me for pot. Pot when my mama dead and left. I want to come in my yard for do. Fi come beat me for my mama dead and left pot. I found no pot. Eh? Okay. Since I don't want to hear about the pot not dirty. Me sell the pot, me need to cook no soup. So me don't know where you get for your story pan about soup, sell soup nice and soup this. Me sell the pot, so what? One did want me for do dead for hungry, you not give me nothing, eh? You not give me nothing. When me come ask you for anything, you not give it to me. No, me
You're not
sell the
supposed
pot.
to ask nobody for nothing, Candy.
Okay,
You're
that's
strong,
it.
nothing wrong with you. You know, say me have Max around there. And what kind of argument is that upon? You know, say, look here, something wrong with you. You need to go to church. You need deliverance. You need deliverance.
I'm a mother dead
You
and left
need
pot.
spiritual
And a
detergent.
fool no pot. The owner for the pot dead and she not come argue with me feet. And now no come for swarm me like a dead meat. Look here, you no come out of my yard.
Candy,
Me sell you already, what I go do?
a pot I did for run for take care of Maxi, because you not help me with Maxi.
Go call the police. Who business? Who care? Who care? Maxie did care about me. All you, Gigi. A long time me have you from me little. Me hate you. If you never know me, me tell you now. You come fi confront me. But what? Me hate you long time from your little. Everything I did, Gigi, Gigi. Gigi this, Gigi that. You better than me, Kuyo. Eh? How you feel like? So you are different father. We are same mama. No, you can't diss me. But say they swap me in the hospital. I owe you. Are you they swap? Are you? You better come out of me. I don't like none of you. No crosses, but you no come and argue with me for what? Right now, me ignorant for you all. You all.
Spirit of jealousy.
How do that Jezebel,
I
man?
shut it down now.
Which part you shut it down in my yard?
I shut down every spirit of jealousy.
How this man? Where you come for, Gigi? Where you come for? You know you say pot sell now.
So all along, all first time when me used to have running belly, when time my grandmother said, "Are you throw book like in my food? Are you do it for true?"
Yes, I mean. So what? Because you're evil. Everywhere mama they go, you have your back. Come on, Gigi, come. You think she has a candy?
Hurt yourself, Candy.
I search it for you right now.
And I
It
this
was
one. And
Gigi.
when she left me with you, you used to eat out my food, Candy.
Me have to name out it because you get more than me. I want
You
to
make me
come out of me.
hungry. You make me hungry.
You know why you're not frown? No, go along which part you know they go. Go along
You
where they
make me
go.
hungry, Candy. As long as I live, me not have nothing to do with you.
Go come back in a me
don't
yard.
have
You want
nothing
to know crosses.
All right, you
Me
have.
hate the whole out.
Where you sis?
Bleed my heart, I bleed. I don't want to say I like you, you know.
Oh, I'm
Oh.
here. And mommy, you come talk to.
Come talk to mommy. I can't talk to. How me fi talk to my mother? No, what kind of foolishness you can't ask me? But if my mommy may come talk to. How me fi talk to mommy? Mommy not dead. You idiot? Eh? All you come like a mock, you come all here, so come mock me, you know. A mango me come look, man. I'm not find no ripe one from the tree, mango then green.
I'm gonna ready it, sis. But you know, me go home and me really, it not sit down well with me how the situation did go down and play out. Me I gotta be honest. And me not think that warrant for the two sister them nah deal with each other. You know
And
what?
not my fault. The girl say family not good. As so she say. I mean, not understand her, no. I not understand her statement when she talk about family not good. You understand? Because it seems like say when my mother used to send her to school, she left school before time. Because to my understanding and my knowledge, and I'm gonna say something to you, and I know that I am politically correct. A family is a group of people, whether one or two living under the same roof. And me and her not live under the same roof.
Jesus.
She just bitter and you bitter too.
What you know? Sister.
If she have a problem with me, and me she have a problem with and her family. I mean I know why every minute she get up and talk about no family no good, family no good, family no good. Me not supposed to deal with you, you know. Me not supposed to deal with you. Because you encourage me and beg me for lend Candy the pot. A pot was so sentimental to me and the pot where me I use for help take care of Maxie. Me lend it to Candy and Candy sell it for little bit of money. Me I wonder if she depend on drugs. Eh?
Sister, me not lie still. Me think about it and me take full responsibility for my part in this, you know. Because when me go to Candy and Candy explain her situation to me genuinely see say she have a need. You see me? And me did want to help out. And then if she do what she do, me really feel bad because I me come to you and I say, yo, do, me I beg you, and we're soon our sister, we are family, me I say, yo, we have to make family prevail. And
No,
that
no
go
wicked
happen.
to me.
Nobody got this, sister, please.
Come like you come back me, I come ask about now if a mama me I talk to. Feel like me can't talk to you, they don't know wicked to me, you know.
Don't be balling, man, just cool, man.
No
Me, do,
wicked to me, man. No wicked to me.
me don't feel guilty already.
I
Here we are.
can't even get fit take a little vacation. I have a little time for myself. Don't even come help me with Max, you know, wicked. And I get this silly pot. And she not even gonna buy some little grocery carry Maxi or two pampers. No wicked man. Me alone have Maxi. When you think Maxi I'm a pitney?
Who you say she sell the pack to?
Vincent.
Vincent.
You know Vincent?
Yes, man, me know Vincent. Oh! Alright, so here we are. Me want to squash all of this, you know. And me want we go back together as a family, as a one unit. Your sister, my sister, me and you and she come together and get this thing sorted out. So here what I'm going to do. I'm going to pool up some money as best as possible. And I'm going to buy back the pot from Vincent. Because I don't think Vincent is that hard of a person. He must can sell me back when time I don't explain the situation to him. Can if I not right to do it? And me I go explain that to him. And so because me want to fix things, me I go sort it out. Alright? So me I go do that.
I have nothing to do with Candy, you know. I have nothing to do with
No,
Candy.
say that, sister.
I want Candy stay far from me, you know. As far as the east is from the west, you tell your sister to stay far from me here.
It's your sister too, and we cannot do that. But here what me I go do. I go and fix the situation because I missed it. So me I go fix it. Alright?
Try fix
Alright.
it. You try fix it, you know. Oh.
Just come go over, man. Cause no man go in the tree. Yeah, look.
Can't tell me to go over when me find peace of mind, right? That's under a cool shade.
Alright then, later. Hot stuff. Soapy. Background. Everything good?
Yeah, man, everything good, man. So,
No, man, me no want no soup right now.
I mean, so, how you want?
So, Vincent, you don't know me?
Yeah, but a business guy right now, what? A reason, what for reason?
Yeah, man. So, Vincent, me I have no friend.
Whether we come from the same area, but at the end of the day, I suit me, I said, yeah, I support me then, support me.
Me I have no money right now, man. But everything I go and go to the soup thing.
To be honest with you, it's a shot, you know.
Mm.
It's a shot. Yo, the way that shot. I'm surprised. Yo, everybody just believe in themselves and put something together.
Mm.
You understand me? I say,
I make a piece of food.
whether the food are going nice, I say, true, because right now, you miss all the school bus or just drop off and, you know what I mean? Yeah, I say, see me a cool out, I rest off.
I think me probably go start one of them things, you know.
Yeah, the best thing for the but don't come here, say no. Don't fall.
Don't come here, sir.
You have to go up, sir.
Alright, man. But,
You know what I mean?
yeah, but good for see you doing, you know.
Well, if I say you say, say you say.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. Bless yourself.
So, you know, put some money in the community and thing.
Now, community, that go work, but me just start. What you want me to do?
Alright, I just ask you.
The business are going good, but you have to manifest, brother. You can't just, me can't just get up and say, boy, I'm a chew money over the street. You know what I mean?
Ah, then little more, you know. Me
Yeah,
go
man.
up the block.
Yeah, man. You think?
Me see you around.
Buy a soap. Soap! I said soap!
Right on a soap at ya.
Right on the soap.
Right on a soap at ya.
That's nice. Soap! Say that soap, my friend.
Yeah, man, I am, man. Yo, big, respect, you see? Alright, respect.
Yes, I buy some soap, my general.
Oh, one, man.
Shabba, what you doing?
What?
What soap?
I'm glad for seeing this, brother.
Eh?
Brother.
What price soap you want? That me a talk about.
No, you know, say it's a different mess me come to talk to you upon, my brother.
What you mean?
But you know, that super chat, it have lineage, it's sentimental to the family. It should have never been sold in the first place, brother. The honest truth, you know.
So, I stop here trying to stop my fluent idea.
No, me not try to stop you so.
Yeah, I say, yo, me understand what you're trying to say then. Talk to me straight because, yeah, I said she sell me pot.
She selling the
sell me
pot,
and then
she should have never sold the pot. It's a family pot, my boss. And here what I come for do. I come to purchase back the pot from you. Because me no want no bad blood between me.
So when you buy a pot, me forgot me I don't see them. Eh?
No.
You basically tell me say me no fi have a business then. Me buy the pot, me build me stall and all these things, and you tell me say you want buy back a pot from me and stop my business.
Me not do that, you know, my boss. But
So
understand, you know.
just love
Understand this, you know. It a mash up with family.
This a pot here.
This a same pot here. A mash up with family. Our mother, grandmother give her. And she get it and did I do the soup business. until she passed on and left between the family with the two sisters and the one brother away. And me no know why can they come take the pot and go sell it after Gigi gave her the pot for just go sell, hustle, and so she can take care of her family some more.
That deal was just too good to be true, you know. Alright. Here we are going. How much are you willing to spend back for your pot?
Only forgive about the money where you pay, where you buy it
No
from.
bother with that, man. Yo, right now, this a pot, you know. A 40 and 50,000 for them pot, you know.
But I never that you pay for it.
What do you mean when you pay it? What you talk about? Give me 40,000 now, and you can't get the pot.
Sure, no start, man. Still at. You know what? Yeah, we work with it.
Alright, give me 40,000, you can get the pot.
Right now.
No, you can't give me right now because a pot full of soup. What you have to do? Link me up on my yard. You know Shabba live, right?
Yeah, man, the same place. At
Go link me on my yard tomorrow, so we see what I want.
So
So
link you tomorrow.
bring your 40,000 and come. And you can get the pot. Alright, son.
You would never know right now how much you save the family lineage right now.
Right now, you're
Thank you. So tomorrow I come link you, I bring your money, and you have the pot for me, alright?
Alright, no problem.
Respect my boss.
But you realize the sister come and say no man buy soap.
I'm sorry about that, man. Go on do your thing, man. Go on.
Go on. Stop!
Vincent, go on. You remember that little something that we talk about at the pot I come for pay for still, man?
Yeah, man, you are going, you know, say, pot on the back is dirty, you know.
Yeah?
See about that money?
Yeah, man, I have your funds where you ask me for, man.
You know, say really and truly is a deal me again, you know. And you wanna mash up my thing, cause suit me sell and if you take my instrument, how you know what I mean? How me can play my music.
Why me explain the situation to you, you see that party, huh? A party cause a whole heap of conflict in our family, you know. But I would love just replace it, put it back and just bring back things to normal.
This a one, yeah.
This a party.
See, you couldn't find one pot somewhere else, man.
Well, the other one, you know them say. So.
I want you to pot fast and forward, yeah?
Alright.
So make sure you count the money and
Yeah, man, me have it right there, so man.
Me not say if you have it, so I must count and make sure say it is it.
Yeah, man. Straight.
Yo, soapy. Me all the money we have. Give me all.
See them boss, you know, have a go on. Watch out.
Give me money and stop going on.
Well on, brother, watch out. A family. Jesus, yeah.
Candy.
How going? How going?
You wanna say? I
So you
run
carry
come.
$5,000 come?
No, hold on.
Wow. I want my money, Vincent, a long time. Me not even want to hear nothing else from you. Me just want me $5,000 from you before you go into anything else. A long time you want me $5,000, you know.
Calm down now, relax and listen to me I say to you, know.
Our God come? Or you know come? Which one?
Listen.
Yo, tell me when me I'll get me $5,000.
Candy, calm down and relax yourself now. See what just happened a while ago, you know.
Our
Me a talk to
gonna
you about.
come?
It means I'm gonna come.
Or you
Relax.
not gonna come?
Yo, me can't. Yo, at some point you have to learn to easy and calm yourself, you know. And stop being so selfish.
Give me case and talk about what you tell me, say, but me still want my money.
A while ago, me I come from my yard and fear brother approach me and say, "Want buy back your pot." Pay the money above you pay the money. Me,
My brother Shabba.
yes, Shabba.
So
Him man about to pay the money. So he pot went dirty, so I couldn't give me pot. Me now go in my house go wash out the pot for carry come give man. Ash gunshot that me hear a bus.
nobody come at me yard come can me, you know.
I look
She no want give me my $5,000, you know. Vincent. Oi. Just give me back my money. What you just say? Are you are my brother in a things? Are you shot me brother? What you say? A true you talk?
You illiterate and fool or something.
And don't say it.
What's
Give
the
me
matter with you?
What you say about my brother?
Your brother get shot and in Ghana hospital. You need to go up there right now. And that you need to do, wake up with your head.
Actually,
And stop be selfish.
No,
Your brother get shot.
no,
Come on, go do it.
my brother Shabba get shot.
Shabba get
Really,
shot,
really?
right.
When gone? Which hospital in gone?
I want hospital there. I want hospital down a town, down in that town.
Brother, how you feel?
We live, man, we live. Alright, you know?
Sometimes some things have to happen. We as family looking at ourselves.
That's not true.
Hush.
I'm sorry for you, know. You know, say I love you as my brother. I'm glad to see you not dead. You could have worse, you know, but God spare your life. If you live this way, you understand? You go alright. You soon better the right way. I'm sorry for everything what I do, because it never right. Family must live good. You know, say I got in bed last night and I did a think about it when I talk to you, Gigi. I'm sorry. I did a think about everything when I say to you and when I do to you. I just say look into myself and they say, boy, me always they say, Gigi and you and my rest of family them wicked. But you know, say me I did the wicked one. I miss yes, and me a telling you so no corrupt, but I me I corrupt one. I'm sorry, Gigi, for everything when me say to you. I just do because me feel say uno have it more than me. And when me ask uno for nothing, me feel say uno nah go give me. Me sorry about everything, cause look how you coulda lose your life, Gigi, my sister. You know, say me love you. I'm sorry for everything. Me ask you for forgive me, please. Me apologize. Me sorry, my brother. Me love you, you hear? And family must live as one. I'm sorry for everything will happen. Me I go to church and change my life because I me I corrupt one.
And the church change people, in a sister.
No, say me have to change myself,
And
but
a
more as some
church
prayer.
can do it. You have to change within yourself. You have to need to change, know within yourself and looking at yourself. I'm glad say you're looking at yourself right now.
All right, so if you watch the video to the end, I want to say thank you very much. Thank you very much for always showing love and support. We know say video them now get the full potential of views that it's supposed to get, but the onus is upon you, the viewer who are watching it. And you are gonna make the algorithm take the video and show it, you know. When you share up the video, and when you comment, and when you do all of the good things for help to push out the video so more people can watch it. You see me? So big up to everybody, give thanks to the ones them where I send me them DM there, I say, yo, me love where you are the Richie. Keep on putting in the work. One for the persons them who are reach out for the acting role them, continue to reach out because you know we still a search, we still a try to get the perfect persons them involved in anything, but you don't know. It's a process and it's all about putting in the work. So continue to show support while we continue to do what we do, alright? Yeah man. You want to see the shirt already, right? Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic. So as we always say, if there are persons out there that want to improve them sexual experience, link up Dr. Jack. So the number up on his shirt. You know me I say he has some male enhancement pills. At the end of the day, people might feel afraid and say, oh, me no need that, me no need that. It's not no Viagra. You know me I say it's not a Viagra. It's a healthy product in terms of natural herbs and bushes them in use make the capsule them and they are for enhancement. You don't know, you can't expect say if you are 50 or 60 or 40, you're gonna be the same as a 19-year-old and 20-year-old. You know what I say? So it just help to boost your sexual drive. And not only that, on a day-to-day basis, if you're a man who work hard, you know say you're gonna need something if you just give that extra strength because you work hard. You know what I saying? I'm not talking about sick, I'm talking about from a healthy perspective, you want something to make you feel healthy and strong. So the pill also helps to boost that. And it also has a bottle for the ladies that we need to get them body detox. If you can't get pregnant, that can also help you. So link him up. Same Instagram handle there, so you can check him out on Instagram. It's Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic.
Guys, how you doing? It's a boy Jay, as you can see. Yeah, man. So right now I'm running with a brand new YouTube channel called Maggie Films, and I'm about to premiere a brand new movie called Rough When I Can't Read. It's gonna be awesome. Yeah, man. So I just want to thank you all for your loyal support in advance. Just tell a friend to tell a friend to tell them family overseas, everywhere to tune in and subscribe.
You sleep free.
Say how you lie, but more see your job.
Like so fresh. Are you there hold it up so you can see chewy? Hey, them say a 3D. Yo.
See it there.
You eat for free. You all defecate for free.
The other day, I come out here, so, and the police stop me. I'm there so the whole time, and then take my papers, and then take my license, and then now make them do it again.
Stop going like a madman, man. You don't know how to talk to you already, man.
So lady, I stop, and now move till it green.
What is on?
Micey, sir.
Spell Micey.
H-U-E. Spell Anthony Williams.
We put down a little sitting to write if you give man one simple little text. Look there. Blank. Not even a A. This is a serious issue, you know. Left or right? Even my little daughter can look on this right now and read everything what they find.
Upon checking, realize that around 5 to 6 months now, you have not made a payment. So I'm here to retrieve the funds.
Rough when you can't read. Rough when you can't read.